special thanks to everybody watching. Like and share if you want us to clean up more spots, just like Bayshore. It's just, we're running out of things to find, so that's good. We're looking for more places near you, local Wisconsin areas. Looks like we're gonna head back up into the more cavernous and cliff scenic route. But it does mean getting over this staircase challenge. Lisa's gonna lead the way.
Oh yeah, it's like... I know. Someone just is chucking them into the fucking wood.
You want me to?
I can get it.
Just found the path. Some underneath the staircase too. Thank you for leading the way.
Careful with it, be gentle with it.
Off its head off. It's missing a piece.
You see it like goes up? Joey, get in there. Wait, where's my flashlight?
Haley swam through an underwater one of them.
That's cool.
She's nuts. That's very cool. Shout out to Haley for swimming through a underwater cave. Tunnel just gave me an icicle. What do you think of that? DH plus EH.
There is no end to the minuteness which you can unveil through physical investigation. For the simple reason that the investigation itself is what is chopping things into pieces. And the sharper you can sharpen your knife, the finer you can cut it. And the knife of the intellect is very sharp indeed. And the sophisticated instruments that we can now make, well, there's probably no limit to it. But in a way, all that is vain knowledge. In a way. Because you
like
see,
way
what it
deep
does
in
is
there.
it gives you the illusion that you've solved your problem. When you have controlled certain things and you have solved certain problems, practical problems, you say, fine, more of that,
Still
please.
healthy.
I have roots
Let's
in
go
here.
on solving problems.
Barely a tree. And then you here. Oh crap. I'm not sure what you call that little mini cave slash what a canyon. But now we're going up the worst staircase I've ever seen. Careful. Oh yes. Climb the tree. Doom. It's it, yeah. Wow. Wow, that is a cave, huh? Kind of. Passage.
Let me get up here.
Wow. That was not very easy.
It's like stairs. That's a lot better than shimmying.
That was an awesome shot. I got it. Wow, look at this. Yeah, well, you know what? Just sit down, put your feet against this.
Yeah, go over there.
I got it.
Here's a chunk of it. Joey, this way's way easier.
Everybody climbed down already. Dang, you guys are good at that.
this stone?
It looks like some kind of, yeah. I saw it. We actually found it was a raccoon skull, and it had the same coloring on the bottom, where it's like old school blood or some kind
I think
of stain.
this used to be in the water.
Look at that.
I think it's a like
Big
a sea
fish.
plant.
Oh really?
The guy who was the older one.
No, she does one ocean diving in Hawaii, and she has a one ocean like research thing, and she specializes in like sharks, and she worked with them for like the research for their shark bracelet. Oh, thank you, Sam.
I want to thank everybody for watching. If you got to this point in the video, special thanks to my lovely fiance Katie and my sisters Lisa and Sam for coming along and cleaning everything up. Just wanted to get out and clean as many state parks or county parks as possible. We appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. We're heading out.
Coming at you from the Sam Cam. Sam Cam. Yeah. And
Hey, Katie Cam, K2. Ah! Okay, yeah.